following the instructions on the mirror.
Flashback.
Oh, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to try to get our Toyota RAV4s, which they come with like a garage door opener in it, but we've been unable to get them working. And we have two Toyota RAV4s. We've got a 2022 model and a 2024 model, the red one. And what we're doing is we did get the red one programmed, and now we're looking to program the white one. And we're working with a Chamberlain 050DCTWF model number, Chamberlain garage door opener. And what we're doing in the car, we're using the Toyota app to program the garage door opener using the motor unit and the remote unit at the same time. And I'll get more clarification on the exact steps that she's using, but it looks like she's got it.
Epilogue.
All right, we're trying to program our Homelink mirror for a 2022 Toyota RAV4 Prime. Following the instructions on the mirror. Okay. Okay, looks like it went. That was it.
Wow, okay, well, it's that simple. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps somebody else. As I said before, this is a 2-year ordeal for us to get this figured out. We've contacted Toyota, we've contacted the dealership, and we hadn't had any luck. But it looks like with a little bit of trial and error, perseverance, we got it going. All right, so thanks again, everybody.